Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make social media QR code, full guide. Open your phone or computer and gather the profile links you plan to share, then choose a QR tool. I will walk you through selecting platforms, arranging links, customizing design, testing the code, and exporting it for print or web. Follow along at a steady pace and pause when you need time to copy links or try settings on your own. Start by selecting a reliable QR generator that offers a multi-link landing or V-card option, then paste your gathered links into separate fields. Customize the design with brand colors and an optional logo, but keep contrast high for easy scanning. Choose the landing behavior so scanners go straight to app or web. Test the code across devices and adjust sizes to ensure it reads quickly in both light and dark conditions. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading guides and notes on the go, and it makes researching QR strategies more enjoyable during commutes. I put a link and other deals in the description, so check that out for a quick look. Thanks, and now let's get back to the video. Always test your final QR code using several devices and camera apps to verify it opens the correct profiles and looks crisp. Export both PNG for quick use and SVG for scalable print like business cards or posters. If your QR provider offers analytics, enable tracking to see clicks in top platforms. Finally, place the QR in visible spots online and offline, and update links when profiles change to keep it current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.